Sometimes while selling on Amazon, you need to recall your inventory back to your home or warehouse. And there can be multiple reasons behind that. For example, you are not getting too much sales, but you are having sufficient amount of inventory at Amazon FBA warehouse and you want to avoid the storage fee, so you recall some of the units back to your house so you can send them later when you need it. Or maybe sometime you want to sell those units to some other websites like eBay, Walmart or Shopify. That's why you need the inventory for that. So you can just recall some of the units from Amazon FBA warehouse to your warehouse or your home so you can use them later. Or sometimes some people want to close the listing and want to liquidate that units, so they can recall those units or inventory from the Amazon FBA warehouse to their house so they can do whatever they like. So if that is the case with you and you also want to recall some units from your Amazon FBA inventory to your house or your warehouse, then keep on watching this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the step by step like how you can just recall the inventory no matter you want to recall the whole inventory or some of the units. I'll tell you in this video. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Seller Central now, and from here I have navigated to the Manage Inventory tab where I can see all of my product. As you can see that I'm already having 647 units of this product on Amazon FBA warehouse and I'm getting 5 to 6 sales per day for this product. So I feel that this is too much inventory and I can recall 200 units of this inventory at my house. So to recall them, I just need to select that product from the left side, and after selecting, I need to click on this drop down menu, and from there I need to click on Create Removal Order. So after clicking on that, I will be navigated to this page and you can see that this is a Create Removal Order page. And before moving down, you can just read this message so you will be able to understand the new and latest update about that. And when you go down, you can see that you are having 3 methods, like number 1 is liquidation, number 2 is return to address, number 3 is donate or recycle. So for example, if you click on liquidate, so what Amazon will do is Amazon will sell your inventory as a cheaper price, and then when all of your inventory will be sold, so Amazon will give you the money in your account. But that money is not too much. That might be 20 to 30% of your actual amount. So if you are in a hurry of selling inventory and get rid of that, so in that case you can just go for liquidation method. But if you want to recall that inventory to your house, so then you need to click on this return to address. So after clicking here, you need to click on this add button, and here you need to type your full name and address and phone number. So the Amazon can just send back all of those units to your address. So after filling on this form of name and address and phone number, you need to click on save. And when you click on save, you will see that this red error message will be gone. And from there, after putting the address, you need to go down. You need to check once again that it is the same product you need to liquidate or not. And here you need to set the number of units that you want to get back. For example, in this case, I need 200 units. So I just put the 200 units here. So it is saying me that 200 units out of 647 will be returned to my address. So after putting the number of units, you need to click on this review button, and then Amazon will review your inventory and send that inventory back to your house. So in this case, I'm not able to see this button green because I have not put the address here. So if you put the address, you will be able to see that button green, and when you click on review, then the removal order for your product will be generated and you will be see that order from here. When you go up, you go on order section and click on manage order. So in that manage order section, you will be able to see that 200 units order has been generated to your address, and from the same page you can just drag that order until all of those units will be returned back to your home. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.